Today we're comparing Fusion 360 versus FreeCAD versus Blender. Which 3D software is the best? Fusion 360 is a professional CAD and CAM platform with powerful 3D modeling, simulation, and manufacturing tools, making it ideal for engineers, product designers, and mechanical projects. FreeCAD is a free, open-source CAD application that offers parametric modeling and a wide range of design tools, making it a great choice for students, hobbyists, and budget-conscious users. Blender is a complete 3D creation suite focused on modeling, animation, sculpting, rendering, and visual effects, making it the go-to software for artists and game developers. The overall winner is Fusion 360 because it delivers the best combination of professional design tools, precision modeling, collaboration features, and manufacturing support, making it the top choice for most engineering and product design workflows. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.